Hello friends, I am Parviz and this is our 23rd video in Python for data science and our 9th video in Matplotlib. In the previous video we have covered about histogram charts in Matplotlib. In this video we are going to cover bar charts in Matplotlib. First of all, what's bar chart? Basically a bar chart displays rectangular bars. It may be horizontally or vertically, with their length proportional to the values they represent. They are commonly used to visualize two or more values. Let me show you an example of bar chart. This is a histogram chart from the previous video. Let me make a new Python file, call it bar chart, like this. Okay, now I am importing numpy as np. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Okay, now I'm going to define an x array, numpy array, np.array, and I give this 1 2 3. Okay, I'm going to define another numpy array, numpy.array, like this, and I'm going to give 3 2 and 5 for this. Now you can make plt.bar x and y. After that, show this plt.show. Okay, now if I run this, you can see that now I have bar charts with x and y value. If you want to change these colors, you can do this simply in here. You can write color and give, for example, R. If I run this, you can see that now it is red. Thank you guys. This was bar chart, and for the further videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel.